Madam.
May I know your full name and mobile number, sir?
My name is Sriram. Sir, madam, my name is Sriram Krishna Reddy, madam. My mobile number is 77 022 98 543.
Okay.
Okay.
Mrs. Sriram. Thank you for providing your information, sir. How may I assist you?
Madam, what is problem means, madam? I coming to college, madam. Going home, madam. Evening.
Okay.
Then my father beating, madam, because I bunking the college, madam. Next, my mother scolding, madam.
Why? Because I'm bunking.
Bunking college, madam. My sister crying, madam, because she bunking college, madam. That is the situation in home, madam. Then phone ringing, madam.
Important call.
I think very important call, madam. Very important call, and I lift, madam. Then what happens, madam? Welcome to Aircel. How can I assist you? How can I help you? What, madam? That? Madam, understand my situation, madam. You are calling, madam. What doing I, madam? Madam, another problem also is there, madam. Before taking Aircel connection, I landlord, madam. My father landlord, madam. My mother landlady, madam. After taking Aircel connection, what happened means, madam?
1 month.
Okay, sir.
My mother telling that, beta, 111 recharge leke aa. I getting 111 recharge, madam. My father 555 recharge, madam. My sister 222 recharge, madam. All Aircel connections, madam. No, nothing. We love Aircel, madam. Aircel is very good, madam. I love Aircel, madam. What is this, madam? But what is this, madam? My balance is finishing, madam. I not activating any offer. You only activate, madam, and you only cut money, madam. What doing, madam?
Sorry for the internet cost you, sir.
Sir.
Okay, I'll definitely assist you. May I know your full name and mobile number, sir?
Madam, another problem is there, madam. Please, madam. What before taking Airtel connection, madam? We father all landlords, madam. But now we became beggars, madam. Really, madam. No money for recharge. I there in college now, ma'am. My friends playing snookers, madam. I don't have money, madam, to play snookers, but I'm willing to play snookers, madam. Madam, what, madam, this? Please, madam. Madam, I have 20 rupees balance, madam. You tell your number, madam. I will transfer my balance to you and you give me 20 rupees, madam. Please, madam. 20 rupees means I can play half an hour snookers, madam. Please, madam. I will die for snookers, madam. Snookers is, my blood is snookers, my walk is snookers, my talk is snookers. I walk snookers, madam. I love snookers, madam. Snookers, madam. Please, madam. Another, madam, is, what is that problem is, one day, other day, madam, my father stopped beating, madam. My mother stopped scolding, madam. My sister stopped crying, madam. But when you stop calling, madam, you will not stop calling, madam. I die. My son getting this phone, my son also getting calls. Welcome to Aircel. How can I assist you? What is this, madam? Madam, please don't call me, madam, another time. Please, madam. Understand, madam. Madam, you understanding my problem,
Sorry.
madam?
Yes, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience caused you, sir. I'll definitely assist you. May I know your full name, sir?
My name, madam?
Yes.
Chiranjeevi is fine now, madam. Please keep that name and customer, madam. Please, madam. Please keep that name.
May I know your mobile number, sir?
My mobile number, madam, 9848032919. Nice fancy number, madam. You see Vakkadu cinema, madam. Same number, madam. I take after seeing that film. I take that number, madam. I fan of Mahesh Babu, madam. That film, you know, madam. Tony calling, bring me some sweets.
Chicken mutton.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
चिकन मटन लेके आ बोल के एक सीन है, एक सीन इज देयर नो मैडम. पासपोर्ट ऑफिस में हाय डार्लिंग बोलते. You
As customer is a time pass customer, henceforth will be called. Thanks for calling us. Have a nice.